everyone, my name is Aarav Bableshwar. I am from grade 1 D section. My story is titled My Nature Adventure. This Christmas vacation, I went camping with my father. I went camping with my father. We went boating on a lake. We went to a remote farm in Bableshwar. We 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 boated in a we con- we went canoeing in the lake. Danced around the campfire at the night. Stargazed late into the night. I began to wonder why I can't see so many stars in Bangalore. I asked my father. He told me that the cities are filled with pollution. Cities are filled with light pollution, street lights, buildings,